that's how it'll go. All right, UJ, big time play, don't miss out. All right, moving over to pound odd, and there it is, right? So I'll show you guys from the higher time frame. All right, I took off the wedge, all right, had a falling wedge on here, but simply it took out liquidity from the support area of the wedge and then completely took off to take out liquidity from the resistance area of the wedge, take out the liquidity, and now we're most likely just going to tap into supply and head right back down, guys, right? Because we have plenty of imbalance, so you want yourself with a position like this, risking about 34 pips to make 406 pips on pound odd, guys. It's just that simple. Again, I laced you guys up with this last week when we were here, right? And look what it did on a Friday at that. So 9 a.m. on a Friday, pound odd went bananas, right? Almost 400 pips in 4 hours. All right, so I do expect to see some volatility. We may break through this supply, right? Because there is imbalance way up here, and this is a bit of a trend line, right? So we can still just keep rising, right? But it's still worth the shot taking this potential trade from the supply area. The key is you don't just take it when it hits that supply area, right? You look for price to do what we call confirmation, give you confirmation. So it'll get up here, right? And then it'll create some sort of higher low, right there, right?